Morning. It's the morning after the night before. Now, this is my room. As you can see, I've been in the shower. Morning. She's sleeping. Last night's food. This is the back of the hotel. Someone next door with babies, so I have to be quiet. And these are swim-up pools. And this is the back of the hotel, not the front. Not nice. Clouds coming over the mountain. Yeah, my daughter's in, not this one, but the next one. We're going to wake her up. Shall we? Let's go and wake her up.
It's bloody freezing, Dad.
What?
It's well cold this week. Oh, it's so cold during the night.
Hello. It's like a day in the life with Craig. Craig, wake up, Craig.
You're up early, is Mum up?
No,
Oh.
don't be stupid. Good, clean sunbeds, rubber mats to go on them. Look at that up there. That's flipping awesome. The sun's coming through up there, look. Probably set a time lapse up out here. See the sun coming through the clouds. The cloud's actually low, look, over there. I like this touch. Little touch here. Laurel and Hardy. Come on. Let's go this way. I stayed in that block. That one there with the towels on I stayed in. And I've stayed in that one there with the towels there as well. Absolutely awesome. Morning. Up the steps into reception. Let's go and wake people up. Morning.
Hello, good morning.
Hello. You're not live, don't worry. I'll come for coffee. And look, they have coffee machine. Yeah. That one. Coffee crumb. Bit too far back. Like this. So then we come up the stairs as we did. 2 retrobates. What are you doing, Craig? Oh, these chairs. Martina, get in the chair. That's where the big boss sits. He's not in, lazy bugger. Look at this, that's where the Jet2 lady sits, clearly. Look at reception. It's beautiful. We'll come to them in a minute. Coffee machine, free 24 hours a day, so he says. Look at that. I think maybe if it was brass we'd get that weighed in. And then let's go out the front. Look. There's dodgy geezer behind me. This is how he works hard on YouTube, watching him working.
Sue, June, you come back in here, please.
I think I have to come back in here. What's he doing? go in for a little dip now.
Fucking knob.
Is it cold?
Right in my eye. Let's put it this way. Certainly refreshing. Jesus.
Craig, dive in so I can see you underwater, come on. Nice actually. I'm not kidding. Get in, boy, come on. I can. Again. Love it. It's got auto exposure, it says. This is hard work, this is. It's YouTube live. Whether I'll use this footage or not, it's hard work. There's a bloke coming over here in a minute, bringing my beer to me. That's what I want to see. Both.
I want go.
Both. I'm going for both.
Red is better.
Come on, baby, let's have it. Woo! Here, hold that.
Mommy's coming.
Alright, Craig, I've got a gun in the car. Craig ruined my photo.
Oh, sorry.
Keep going, keep going.
Green forest during the night time.
Did you get it?
Swim up rooms.
I didn't realise you'd taken one.
Swim up rooms. That's really nice. Go for a little walk under the arches. How very romantic. Baby pool. Lit up. Look how quiet it is, guys. There's 100 odd guests here. There's no one out here at all.